Imagine that you are going for a very important meeting and then you see that there is a long traffic jam. You start feeling irritated and frustrated and thoughts आने लगते हैं कि अरे आज ही के दिन इतना इम्पोर्टेंट मीटिंग है, मैं किसी भी तरह से टाइम से नहीं पहुंच पाऊंगा और कैसे ये मीटिंग होगा एंड सब कुछ फ्लॉप हो जाएगा. The irritation mounts and you see that time is ticking away. And then you realize that there is no way you can reach on time. And you just take a deep breath, phone उठाते हैं, just try to reschedule the meeting if it is possible, and you say कि चलो अब जो होगा देखा जाएगा, things are beyond my control. You start feeling a bit lighter and more relaxed. This is the power of acceptance, and today let's talk about acceptance and resistance. How we often resist life, and how by the power of acceptance we can make things much more better. Hi, I'm Dr. Saroj Dubey, and thank you for coming to my YouTube channel. Here we talk about various things about life and happiness and joy, as well as heartbreaks and disappointments. And today we'll talk about all about acceptance and resistance. We often go through life fighting and struggling against it. हम चाहते हैं कि life इस तरह से चले और somehow it goes in a different way. And there is that struggle and resistance. And acceptance is saying yes to whatever is happening, opening up to life. And it is often misunderstood. People सोचते हैं कि acceptance का मतलब है हार जाना या गिव अप करना, पैसिव हो जाना, और ये बिल्कुल नहीं है. आप एक्सेप्ट जब तक नहीं करेंगे तो प्रॉपरली आप चेंज नहीं ला सकते. यू कैन ऑलवेज चेंज थिंग्स इवन बाय एक्सेप्टिंग इट. एंड एज एखर्ट टोल सेज, whatever the present moment contains, accept it as if you had chosen it. Make it your friend, not your enemy, and this will miraculously transform your life. आप अगर खुद उनको एक दोस्त बनाते हैं, एज इफ आपने ही ये मोमेंट को चूज किया है, फिर कैसे आप रेजिस्ट कर सकते हैं? आपने ही तो चुना है. एंड दिस फिलॉसफी हैज रियली ट्रांसफॉर्म्ड माई लाइफ आफ्टर ट्राइंग टू प्रैक्टिस इट. We can talk about acceptance in 4 ways. Accepting this moment, accepting the external situation, accepting our family and close friends, and accepting ourselves. Now, accepting this moment means that you give yourself permission to feel whatever you are feeling. If you are feeling sad or lonely, you allow that to happen rather than resisting it. You can ask yourself, can I allow this moment to be as it is? Can I accept this moment? While accepting the external situation is very powerful. हम बहुत बार चाहते हैं कि चीज़ें हमारे अनुसार हो. Life should go the way we want to, we want it to be. And things go on differently. There is a very wonderful line by Adya Shanti which says that a simple secret to happiness is let go of the demand of the present moment. अब ये डिमांड मत करो कि लाइफ हमारे अनुसार ही चले. जैसे भी चल रहा है, आप एक इनर एक्सेप्टेंस ले आओ. एंड दिस कैन रियली ट्रांसफॉर्म थिंग्स. देन एक्सेप्टेंस ऑफ फैमिली. दिस इज ऑल्सो अ वेरी पावरफुल वे ऑफ लिविंग, बिकॉज वी फील कि हमारे फैमिली मेम्बर्स, चाहे हमारे स्पाउस हो, बच्चों हो, फ्रेंड्स है, दे शुड बी अ पर्टिकुलर वे. हम सोचते हैं ऐसे इनको होना चाहिए, एंड व्हेन दे डोंट बिहेव इन दैट वे, वी आर इन रेजिस्टेंस. फॉर मी, acceptance of my family, especially my children, made a lot of difference in my life. क्योंकि मुझे एज अ पेरेंट लगता था कि मेरे बच्चे को ऐसे होना चाहिए, ये करना चाहिए. एंड व्हेन थिंग्स वर डिफरेंट, I often felt that frustration and anger. And when I realize that each person is unique, उनकी यूनिक गिफ्ट्स है एंड एक यूनिक पर्पस है लाइफ में, इट मेड अ लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंस. And I could accept them the way they were, not the way I wanted them to be. Similarly, हमारे spouse, हमारे friends, once we start accepting, it can transform our relationship with them. And finally, acceptance of ourselves. हमें बहुत बार लगता है कि we are not good enough, we are not perfect, we are not good looking enough or something. And we need to accept ourselves completely. As the psychologist Carl Rogers said, the curious paradox is that when I accept myself, then I can change. क्योंकि अगर हम अपने आप को एक्सेप्ट नहीं करेंगे तो हम फिर दूसरों को एक्सेप्ट कैसे कर सकते हैं. एंड नाउ लेट्स सी हाउ एक्सेप्टेंस कैन बेनिफिट अस इन आवर डे टू डे लिविंग. The most important thing is there is peace and harmony because you're not fighting against life. You're not having that constant struggle with life, and you are allowing things to be. You are allowing life to unfold the way it is by trusting it. The second is there is decreased suffering. As Haruki Murakami said, pain is inevitable, but suffering is optional. एंड एक फॉर्मूला है, सफरिंग इज इक्वल टू पेन इनटू रेजिस्टेंस. हम जितना ज़्यादा रेजिस्ट करेंगे चीज़ों को उतना ही सफरिंग बढ़ेगा. पेन एक कांस्टेंट चीज़ है. एंड व्हेन वी एक्सेप्ट थिंग्स देन आवर सफरिंग proportionately decreases. The third is there is no fear about life. We usually have that fear, या डर लगता है क्योंकि हमें पता नहीं क्या होने वाला है, and we resist it. But when you are open to life, when you allow things to be there and you are open to uncertainty or the unknown, वो fear खत्म हो जाता है. The another important thing is there is increased resilience. क्योंकि you are allowing things to unfold, you are accepting it, and with that gives you the space to make the changes. There is more space in your life and more happiness, and it increases your emotional intelligence and emotional awareness. That is an important thing for any kind of relationship, whether it is your professional as well as your personal relations. A deeper form of acceptance is the Latin philosophy called amor fati, which is the love of fate, loving what is happening. It is not just accepting things, but embracing it and loving it, saying ki, destiny knows best. This is a very powerful form of radical acceptance. And when we are able to embrace the whole of life wholeheartedly, we are able to change challenges into opportunities and even deep pain into purpose. दो बहुत पावरफुल एग्जाम्पल्स मैं दूंगा, ऑल्दो ऐसे बहुत सारे एग्जाम्पल्स हैं. वन इज ऑफ मनोज एंड नीरा द्विवेदी. They lost their son tragically a couple of years ago, and they converted that pain into a higher purpose by forming the Anant Dwivedi Foundation, which offers mental health support to young people. I was listening to an interview of Manoj Dwivedi, and he said कि मेरे पास दो चॉइस थे, या तो ज़िंदगी मैं अपने बेटे के गम में भुला लेता एंड उसको रेजिस्ट करता, या मैं कुछ ऐसा कुछ करता विच विल बी अ गिफ्ट टू मैनकाइंड. What a powerful thought, and that can only happen when you embrace whatever life is offering. The second is Dr. Bryant Lane, who is a professor in Stanford, and he treated and researched on non-small cell lung cancer for decades. और कुछ साल पहले he developed the same non-small cell lung cancer which metastasized to all of his body. जस्ट इमेजिन, इसी पर वो रिसर्च करते थे और यही ट्रीट करते थे और उन्हें दैट सेम कंडीशन हो गया. एंड व्हाट डिड ही डू? रादर देन रेजिस्टिंग इट, सेइंग कि अरे ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है, लाइफ इज़ सो अनफेयर, मैंने इतने लोगों को ट्रीट किया और मुझे ही ये हो गया. व्हाट ही डिसाइडेड टू डू वाज रिमार्केबल. ही स्टार्टेड अ लिविंग लेबोरेटरी ऑन हिमसेल्फ. कि मेडिकल स्टूडेंट्स उनको देखे क्लास लेते हैं, जहाँ लोग देख सकते हैं मेडिकल स्टूडेंट्स की हाउ द डिजीज़ कैन बी डायग्नोज्ड एंड हाउ इट इज़ ट्रीटेड एंड केमोथेरेपी के साइड इफ़ेक्ट्स उन पे, you know, because he said कि this is my gift to the medical community students and it's my legacy. That is such a powerful thought, and this is again due to acceptance. In my book RX for Resilience, I have also shared my own personal example about acceptance and surrender, and you are free to read it. Let's see how we can practice acceptance in our daily life. By noticing when we are resisting life and telling ourselves, am I accepting this moment or am I resisting it, and see how we feel inside, and how if we accept things there is that feeling of lightness and expansion. Then it is by practicing acceptance in small things in our daily lives, like मेड टाइम से नहीं आया, या ड्राइवर नहीं आया, या कोई अपने प्रोफेशनल एटमॉस्फेयर में कुछ डिसएग्रीमेंट है, हाउ यू कैन जस्ट एक्सेप्ट दैट एंड अलाउ इट. द प्रैक्टिस ऑफ meditation is very useful and very powerful, because when you sit in meditation you are allowing things to just happen and you are staying with it. Thoughts आ रहे हैं, emotions आ रहे हैं, and you accept all of that. Then it is by staying with the discomfort. क्या होता है, we resist things because we are feeling uncomfortable, we are feeling contracted and we don't like the feeling. So when we stay with the discomfort and we practice it, then that helps us practice acceptance when bigger challenges come. Even the method of rain by Tara Brach is very powerful, where you just recognize that there is resistance, allow it, accept it, and feel that feeling in the body. So these are the ways that we can practice acceptance in our daily life. Acceptance is not just a phrase, but it is a way of living life wholeheartedly. It is about saying yes to whatever is happening. It is about opening our hearts to all that is happening, whether it is pain, heartbreak, disappointment, or happiness. And from time to time we can tell ourselves, am I resisting this moment? Can I allow this moment to be? We are not trying to control life. वो हम कंट्रोल नहीं करना चाहते हैं या फोर्स नहीं करना चाहते हैं. As the author Byron Katie says, if you want real control, let go of the illusion of control. Allow life to lead you. It does anyway. Life वैसे भी knows best what it is. Just allow and accept. Ultimately, the serenity prayer can summarize the whole philosophy of acceptance. May I have the serenity to accept things I can't change. May I have the courage to change things I can, and may I have the wisdom to know the difference between two. Thank you so much for watching this. I hope you liked it. Please do subscribe to the channel and share it. And I'll share 3 books which can be very useful for you. One is The Power of Now by Eckhart Tolle, The Surrender Experiment by Michael Singer, and my own book RX for Resilience. Thank you. Namaste.